Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen, the watch face, to open the activities menu, and here you can check the amount of the calories burned on this list. The last one is the calories. You can also check it on some of the watch faces. Some of the watch faces have the calories widget, as you can see. You can also try to tap on the widget to check if you can cycle through them, and if you can cycle through them, one of them will be the calories widget. Another way is to check the amount of the calories burned is to go to the phone app if your smartband is paired with a phone, and there you can check more detailed information. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here because my smartband is paired with a phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our smartband, I'm gonna open the Fitbit application, and in the app you should see a today page, and on it you can scroll down, and one of the shortcuts or widget will be energy burned, the calories burned, and you can tap on it to check more detailed information. We have the daily graph, weekly graph, a monthly graph, and a yearly graph. And once you're done checking, you can close the app, of course. And that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.